YouTube, Dr. Evette here. I am out and about and I stopped at a antique market because I am looking for things to decorate our barn with. And so I'm taking you on this journey with me, and by the time you see this video I would have made all of my decisions, but I am letting you see what's going to be available. Okay, let's get started. What kind of old jugs here? Really like that one right there. $95. One of these in the barn would be really cute, but the barn is not that big, and so this would take up a lot of space in a corner. And I do believe that each booth is operated by someone different. I haven't seen who works here, but I'll have to ask them. Oh, I think I'd rather have the Texaco one. You don't have to ask why. Oh, look at this hutch. It is sold, but it is amazing. Now, if you have a very large home, this is something that you should consider. That's the thing about these type of antique shops. Each person is a vendor. I did find out that each person is an individual vendor, and they're able to price how they want to price. But the lady that's working the front did let me know that some of the prices are negotiable and that she has the authority to do that. So I still will see what I can find. Okay, so the tractor is for sale. They say look but do not touch. And let's see, it is a Oliver 70 industrial, and it's going for $3,900. Love the green. It's really cute. Love it. So I think I found something interesting here. I have several license plates of my own that I plan to put in there, and I don't have one from New York just yet. And I don't know anyone from New York that had a car that I likely could get a plate from. So I'm interested in getting this plate. And then I saw another Coca-Cola sign that I'm interested in. There's a Pepsi one, but we shall see. Okay, can we have a moment for the John Deeres in the middle? Let's see, 5,200. It's the John Deere A 1937. So I left the New York plates, which were from 1973, and I actually left it because it was $20. So I'm hoping someone from New York will watch this video and then perhaps gift me a plate from New York. That would be very nice of them. So if you're moving from New York to any other state and you have a plate, I'd love to have it. Oh, this area is a great find if you are looking for antique shutters and doors. Here we are. Oh, this is great. Okay, so I really like this one right here, this surf blue. Actually, maybe that's gray. It's looking surf blue through my phone, but it is great. Oh, look at this mint green screen door. And it still has the screen in it with one little hole in it that someone probably put in it when they were young to unhook the latch. I'm dating myself because that's how our doors used to close when I was younger. So 60s and 70s baby will remember that, having to stick your hand through the screen to unlatch the screen door. Yeah. Oh, this column is massive. Okay, this is no joke. I wanted lockers for the bathroom, and the lockers just so happen to be green. Oh, I would love to have this. I would love to have this. Please excuse the noise. It's that big industrial fan right there. Let's see if the locker works. The locker is active. It's $200. They're calling that A12 cabinet.